Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to CH Forex Academy. Today we see GBP USD price action chart. We see GBP USD next target to go on by timetable H4 and see markets simple chart. Market running in a sideway, up down and running sideway. How we see market next target? So it's very simple. I drawn a line. This is market running on this line. Market running is market down and touch this line and going now up. Next target, we see next target. One more line draw. That's it's is a good signal. Market complete a wedge. Market complete a wedge indicator to see the next target. Market cross this area, we see we put a signal buy, and this area market down, we open a trade sell. Simply market go up and market go down. Two ways market we wait signals. Thank you very much.